Let me tell you something most people never realize until it's too late. Toxic people don't disappear because you confront them. They disappear when you quietly change in a way they can't control anymore. And when that happens, something strange follows. The calls slow down, the tests stop, the chaos fades. Not because you fought back, but because you became unreachable. These behaviors don't make you louder or stronger. They make you harder to use. And the final one is where toxic people completely give up. Let's start. Number one, you forgive, but you don't reopen the door. You're calm. You're not holding a grudge. But access is gone. You were lost to them not because they misunderstood you or misperceived you, but because your trust was too costly. Number two, you stop explaining yourself. No longer must one share every plan, fear, or feeling. You reply politely, succinctly, and walk away. If they don't know who the person you are inside is, they can't pull their strings. Toxic people rely on information. Manipulation starves when you stop feeding it the details. Number three, you don't react. They throw comments meant to poke. You stay neutral. Steady voice. Same face. No emotion for them to collect. And without reaction, the game dies. Number four, you set limits and actually stick to them. No long speeches. No defending yourself. You say what you'll allow and what you won't. And when the line is crossed, you follow through. That's when they realize you're serious. Number five, you stop seeking their approval. You make decisions without having to ask. You respond to questioning only with the words, "That's what I wanted." Nothing does control more damage than a confidence that's never asked. Number six, you notice the patterns and don't engage. Guilt, blame, twisted stories. You see it and stay calm. They feel exposed without you saying a word. Number seven, you leave quietly. No drama, no final speech. You walk away when they go toxic. When it is silent, they have nothing to twist. And then eight, you choose yourself every time. Not loudly, not emotionally, just consistently. They know it will never turn out differently. And that is when they disappear. You don't scare toxic people by fighting back. You freak them out by not being there to run things. If after this, people start dropping off the face of the earth, that's clarity, not loss. Which one are you already living by? And which one will you start today?